Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. S&amp 500 futures battle lines well defined ahead of US data. A Confluence Detector ntvforex.com news ID E4D2836 minutes ago by Dwani Mehta with the risk on sentiment back in vogue amid optimism over more stimulus and coronavirus cure. The S&amp 500 futures broke the Asian consolidation phase to the upside and rallied 0.80% to regain the 3,350 level. The bulls gear up for a test of the all-time highs reached in early February at 3,397.50. Although uncertainty over the U.S. fiscal stimulus and economic recovery could keep the further upside elusive. Letâ take a look at how it's positioned technically. S&amp 500 futures key resistances and supports. The tool shows that the S&amp 500 futures flirt NBSP with 3,363 levels, which is the convergence of the previous day low and previous high on 4-hour. The next relevant resistance is aligned 3,372, the intersection of the pivot point 1-week R1, Bollinger Band 1-day upper and SMA 101 hour. Acceptance above the latter will call for a test of the Fibonacci 38.2% 1-day at 3,380 and root the previous day high near 3,387. The buyers will then aim for the record highs. Alternatively, 3,355 is the immediate cushion for the bulls, where the previous week high and pivot point 1-day S2 meet. Further south, powerful support at 3,348 will test the Bearsa commitment. The level is the confluence of the Fib 161.8% 1-day, SMA 5 1-day and Bollinger Band 4-hour middle. A sharp sell-off could be triggered below a break of the latter, which could put 3,327 support at risk, the pivot point 1-month R1. S&amp 500 futures chart. About the Confluence Detector. The TCI Technical Confluences Indicator is a tool to locate and point out those price levels where there is a NBSP congestion of indicators, moving averages, Fibonacci levels, pivot points, etc. Knowing where these congestion points are located is very useful for the trader, and can be used as a basis for different strategies. Learn more about Technical Confluence NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.